it's on tonight, and you're gonna love it. We've been waiting to move, and I'm going slow. Let's hit the road and make it up as we go. Oh, let's go. Oh, baby, don't change your mind. Let's get in trouble. I don't want nothing but you. No holding back. Don't need a bag, baby. We'll leave everything. You and me is all we need. We've been busy sleeping. We could live our dream and take like it's right. Just go with the feeling. Take my hand. We'll ruin our plans. We'll leave it all behind. We gotta leave tonight. Get away. Feeling kinda reckless when you're here with me. Baby, say the word and we can disappear. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get away. Seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Lights will expose the night. We're getting closer. Blonde waves crashing on me. As long as we're gone, it's where we belong. Maybe we're just passing through. Meet me at the hotel room. We've been busy sleeping. We could live our dream and take like it's right. Just go with the feeling. Take my hand. We'll ruin our plans. We'll leave it all behind. We gotta leave tonight. Get away. Feeling kinda reckless when you're here with me. Baby, say the word and we can disappear. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get away. Seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway.
Bom, aqui é isso aí, ó. A cada parada, uma fonte de água.
But baby, I'll drive. Spotty and Clyde to the sun, you're mine. Nothing but time to lose. And we'll be running on fumes.
I don't mind being right, even when we got in wrong. I kinda like making it up as we go. And ever since the second grade when you first caught my eye, I knew you were different in all the ways I like. I won't hide that I'm right, even when we got it wrong. But why you keep playing? We're not the same man. This other little lie, the common ground is shaking in your eye. If you could believe me, let's jump in the deep end. We'll jump in the deep end, yeah. I said, hey, we don't need to leave all of the differences aside. You and I feel right. I said, maybe we don't need to
Aqui já está identificado. À esquerda, rapel. Direita, Cachoeira das Andorinhas.
If you think that loving someone else could ease your mind, let me just remind you, dear, of all the hills we've climbed, and I don't mind being right, even when we get it wrong. No, and I said, hey, we don't need to leave all the differences aside. You and I feel right. I said, maybe we don't need to leave all our differences aside, 'cause that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. We agree, and that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. Opposite sides, and that's what makes it right. That's what makes it right. That's what makes it right. I'm feeling it. My bones telling me it's right. It's so different. But when you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette. And I'm burning at your lips. Start so innocent. Then you kick it up, and now I want to show you all what you deserve. And know we got so much to learn. And just like when we said I do, and it's only you that can do it like that. Yeah. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand that we'll dance. We ain't got no plans. You. I like it with you. Yeah. I like it with you. And the hours will melt all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains. Taking up the trash and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it with you in it. And make me take a little look. Can we finish it? And then get busy getting back into the thick of it, yeah. Take us
Percorrendo toda a área aqui do Rio, a gente vai encontrando
just how you
um cenário mais bonito que o outro.
know what I'm saying, it inside your sea. Oh, and just like when we said I do, and it's only you who could do like that. It's only you who could do like. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand that we dance. We ain't got no plans. You. I like it with you. Yeah. I like it with you. And the hours will melt all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains. Taking up the trash and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it when you tell me that you love it. And when you pull the strings, I'm a puppet. Even when it rains, we above it. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with. I like it with you.
We ain't got no plans.
Eu sou Ricardo da Rica Adventure, uma empresa de turismo em ambientes naturais, em atrativos naturais, e estamos usando esse equipamento fantástico aqui, que é a Cachoeira das Andorinhas, do Marcelo Soares, para trazer as pessoas para se divertirem, para ter um contato estreito com a natureza, fazer trilha, banhos de cachoeira e atividades como rapel em cachoeira, rapel noturno, tudo com muita segurança, gerido pelo Marcelo Soares aí, que é um especialista em gestão de risco, treinamento de bombeiro, treinamento de resgate em altura. Então você pode vir aqui para a Cachoeira das Andorinhas fazer um esporte radical com total segurança. Vem comigo, Rica Adventure, trago você aqui na Cachoeira das Andorinhas, num gostoso off-road 4x4.
And if we didn't have to turn around, if you told me not to make a sound.
Olha aí, ó.
Banana prata e
A banana prata e banana d'água que Israel conseguiu aí pra gente aí. Israel é o mateiro aí da região.
Mas você não tá com prova, faz tempo. Eu pode falar, esse menino aí tem 10 anos aí. Ele não conhece o que eu conheço aqui dentro.
Eita, rapaz.
Ele tem 10 anos, eu já tenho pouco tempo.
E nesse pouco tempo aí tu já rodou isso tudo aqui?
Já rodei aí, corvo feio. Aí eu conheço essa cachoeira toda aí pra cima aí. Aí em cima tem um chuchuzaram aí com as pacas como aí em cima.
Chuchu?
Quando chega lá, tá traçado, né?
Eita.
Muito bonito, muito bonito.
Pô, que legal,
Pé
rapaz.
de banana d'água não é desse tamanhozinho lá não, lá é grande, tá? Porque lá tá no pé da serra, né?
Aham.
Lá pra você pegar um carro de banana d'água e jogar nas portas traseira é trabalho. Olha o tanto de bananinha aqui aí, madeireteira.
É, tudo amadurecendo aqui, ó.
Aqui tem um cachotinho.
Primeira escola da Aldeia Velha. Só sobrou esse esqueleto aqui.
And if we didn't have to turn around,
Da antiga escola só sobrou a cozinha.
in our hiding you will take flight. When we make it to the
Segundo os moradores, essa escola tem mais de 200 anos.
focus heavy in our eyes, I'm still finding you. We'll be fine.
Então, Marcelo Soares falando da Cachoeiras em Aldeia Velha, Cachoeira das Andorinhas, é um atrativo natural. Horário de funcionamento de 8 às 17 horas, valor da visitação R$15 por pessoa, e a gente dispõe também de um self-service com comida regionalizada caseira, nada industrializado. Vai ser um prazer recebê-los aqui.